All right, well, here's our room. We have room 12, 369. There's a mailbox, key fob. We already got our keys. They would be up here. So we already picked them up. But they head into the room. They also have a doorbell.
Mango.
Marco. Come on in to the accessible room. Let me give you a tour. All right, you guys. So this is your little table station. Got your drawers, nice little mirror, a couple of shelves, which is nice. It's something new. There's a see-through, refrigerator, which is exciting. All right, you got a big closet, you guys. Nice size closet. Safe if you need one. A couple of shelves to put your stuff in. And if you would like to let it down, if you're not hanging up nothing, add another shelf. All right. So that's cool. But it's not just one, but you got two. So we got the king size bed. Our luggage hasn't came in yet. All right, so here, another closet, enough hanger space. So if you're wondering about, it's gonna be enough, space for your clothing, you got plenty of space. Also too, over the bed, which was a nice feature, is they got a reading light. So that's kind of cool. If you like to read at night, or if you can't see nothing that's really pitch black, just flip the light up. So for those emergency, you got to see the switch. So if there's an emergency and you need to pull it, there's a pulley. So that's enough about here. Nice bed, sweet, to the point. Also too, they have a chair right here. Storage unit. You flip it out, store something in it, and you can flip it over, make it a table. Hey, so isn't that kind of cool? So it's gonna be pretty nice. If you're looking to wonder if you can plug up your devices, one thing that's a plus is they got several plugs, some USB plugs, as well as some regular 3-prong plugs, you guys. So you don't have to worry about if you got enough to plug up your devices. They have it covered, you guys. I'm really excited about that because, before they wouldn't allow you to add, little plug jacks or whatever. Now they have enough, so you don't have to carry your own. So, hey, kudos to them. I wanted to show you that they have some controls. This is actually for the door to open up for accessible. These also too have the light switches. So that's what that's for. For the air conditioning, you see it's low. So if you want it cool, just turn your temperature up there. Call for emergency is here. Also too, this is a game changer. Is this actually opens the door. So you hold this down. It does not come with a couch, but some accessory rooms do, but they try to probably make it big enough for those with a wheelchair or scooters. So let's tour the bathroom. All right, you guys, so this bathroom is wide and spacious, you guys. Nice room. Some rooms I heard were small, but it's such a room you don't have to worry about. Enough space for a wheelchair, like I said, for a walker, or even a cart. So we see you got a bench. You want to do a shower. The shower does lower down for you. They got the different pulleys if something happens for emergency. All right, so this is plenty of room. You see me in here. You got a nice sink, all your little toiletries and everything like that. But hey, that's a tour of the room 12369. 12, but the 12,369 is midship. So if you're looking for this room, it's a really nice one. Inside cabin. But we're gonna get up there and get to that deck party. So hope you guys enjoyed it.